Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about extension method. Extension methods enables you to add methods to exciting type without creating a new drive type, recompiling or otherwise modifying the original type. An extension method is a special kind of static method, but they called as if they were instance methods on the extended type. Let's say example. A client provided you that one DLL that DLL you have add subtraction method, but you want to add multiplication. So how you will add? Because you don't have the code, that client code, you have only DLL. So that times you can extend that method. Just look at example. So I'm going to create one class library, right? In that, just change the name, class, change the name extension class. They have two methods, like a public return type int and it will take two numbers, number one and number two, and it will return total number two, right? And then again take same method, number one minus number two. Just build that application and add that reference, that extension name into console app. Just add that one. Okay. Now to the go to program and extend that class. See here, you have here two methods, add numbers and subtract numbers, right? But you want to add one more method in that is used by this class, that extension class. You want to add one more method, that is a multiplication. How you will add? That times you have to use extension method. Let's see how to create. First, you have to create that static class. And that is static class, to declare one static method, and what it will be written, it will be written integer. First it will say it will be written integer, then do this keyword and then class name and this kind. And here you will take that two parameter and it will return multiplication. See here. Now you will check that in the same class, that extension class, you will get that multiplication number. That this is called extension. You can see this mark. It's a different types of symbol here. That is called extension method. So if you enter that one, 20 and 30, and just print that, and just print that result. Let's check. See, you get the result 600. Not only that class, you can use that system class. Like, just comment this one. If you want to use that and you want to check, just take example, you want to check that that number is odd and even. So you will not find here that 2032. You will not find just like int number equal to 10. But there is no option in the system to can check that one odd even. So how you will do? Just create one class, same like that, public static class, odd even, that static class, and again same way, that is static method, and it will return that string like odd and even. In this keyword with int32, if number divided by 2 is equal to 0, return even, else return odd. So check here if it's working correctly. Number dot, just press dot C. Again you get the extension method. Right line. Let's run the application. See, now 10 is a even number. If you will put it here 13, see, it's an odd number. So what's the benefit of extension method? Extension methods allow existing classes to be extended without relying on inheritance or having to change the class source code. If the class is sealed, then is no concept to extending its functionality. For this is a new concept is introduced, in other words, extension method. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching.